Time flies so fast. Every morning starts a new page of our life story. So, to make our life story interesting, we have to try something new. Let's have another new experience. It's a new adventure and will be an unforgettable life memory. Hey baby, buckle up and let's explore together. And so the adventure begins. Wow, it was amazing. What a wonderful view. Life is a daring adventure or nothing at all. Fear is the thief of dreams. Life begins where fear ends. So keep your fear away and enjoy every moment of life.